Vowels. The sounds of the vowels. A, 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 o, o, a, e, o, a, e, o, a. Which one? A. Which one? A. A. Did you get it right? O. Which one? O. Which one? O. O. Did you get it right? Eh. Eh. Which one? Eh. 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 It's tall, like an eh. O. Find it on your fingers. O. Which one? O. O. Did you get it right? Oh. Oh. Which one? Oh. 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 It's your pinky. Oh. Now I'm going to say a word and you are going to finger spell it with mum or dad, okay? Car. K -k -k. Car. Can you spell it? Car. K A R. Car. Can you say it? Car. Next one. Man. Man. Not oh. Man. 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 Can you finger spell it? Man. Man. Next one. Van. Same in your name. Look. Van. Did you get it right? Van. Feel it in your nose. Can feel it. Next one. Pan. It's hot. Don't touch. Pan. Look. Pan. Pan. Can you spell it? Pan. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. Again. And your nose, not oh. Feel it in your nose. The next one. Try. Let me think. Nap. A short sleep. It's called a nap. Nap. Can you finger spell? Nap. Nap. Three sounds. You'll have to think about all the sounds. Nap. 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 Did you get it right? Next one. This is the last one to try. Ah. Okay. Let me think. A tan from the sun changes colour. Your skin changes brown with the sun. It's called a tan. Look. Tan. Tan. Oh, I can feel it in my nose. The last sound. N. Can you finger spell it? Tan. Tan. And did you get it right? Good try. Next time, I'll film sounds. Alright? You practice just now. And when you finish and you're confident, you let me know. We'll try a different sound. Just now though. Good luck. Good luck.